Can we install NFC on non-NFC phone? Hey everybody, in today's video we'll be finding out that. So if you're wondering that, actually it is not possible to install NFC, which is near full field communication on a phone that does not natively support it. As NFC is a hardware-based feature requiring a built-in NFC chip and an antenna within the device, and there are no software or third-party add-ons that can enable the NFC functionality on a phone that lacks the necessary hardware. While it is not possible to add NFC functionality to a phone that does not have it, there are some alternatives for contactless communications such as NFC tags. So if there's any kind of NFC tags available, you can just head over and look out for that. Devices like NFC tags or stickers can be used with compatible apps to emulate some NFC functions. You can go ahead and look out for that. Or there are other options available such as Google Wallet. You can just head over and download this application right here, which supports QR code scanning for contactless payments, allowing users to pay at locations without using NFC. If you're looking for data transfer, there is another options. Head over to your settings for that and look out for Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct. Look out for such options, and that should help you use as an alternative that can be used as an alternative for NFC if you're on a non NFC phone. And that is it. So if you'd like to install NFC on non NFC phone, it is quite particularly not yet available, like it is not possible yet. So therefore I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.